Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating a summer glow makeup look using all Pixi beauty products. Let's start by prepping our skin with the Pixi Flawless Beauty Primer. Next, I'm using the Pixi CC crayon to correct and perfect any imperfections. Although it looks pretty orange at first, once you blend it out, it becomes a sheer veil of color that just neutralizes any darkness. Now, let's amp up the radiance with the Pixi Radiance Perfector. This will give us that lit from within glow that's perfect for summer. After applying that with my hands, I'm just going over it with a sponge to make sure there aren't any streaks. Time to warm up our complexion with the On The Glow bronzer in the shade Rich Glow. It's going to give us that sun-kissed look. I'm applying this to the areas of my face that I want to give some definition to, so I'm adding this to the hollows of my cheeks, around my forehead, jawline, along the sides of my nose, and even to the outer edge of my crease. For a natural flush, I'm using the On The Glow blush in the shade Fleur. It adds just the right amount of color to the cheeks. This is a new one from Pixi, the On The Glow Superglow in the shade Petaldew. It's going to give us that extra dewy finish. I'm adding this to all of the areas that I would usually highlight, such as the top of my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. To set everything in place, I'm applying the H2O Skin Veil Powder in the shade Translucent. This is a super finely milled powder. A few spritzes of the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist will ensure our makeup lasts through the summer heat. Let's not forget about our brows. I'm using the Pixi Brow Tamer, and this is a clear brow gel, so I'm just brushing it up through my brows to tame them. Now for a little something on the eyes, I'm adding the eyelift Max in the shade Sunset. This just gives a really nice soft focus shimmer effect. For lashes today, we're doing something new and sticking to our natural lashes with a bit of the Pixi Lash Booster Mascara. No falsies for this look. Now to really enhance our glow, I'm adding the Vitamin C infused glowy powder. This is in the shade Peach Dew, and I'm adding this to my cheeks. Finally, we have the Pixi Lip Glow in the shade Fleur. This is the same shade we had in the blush, and it's such a lovely formula with a glossy, natural finish. And that completes this glowy summer look. Let me know if you're enjoying your summer in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!